Today I'm going to talk about neuroscience in 2 to 5 minutes. Today's topic is the neuron. Let's talk about the neuron. We have 85 billion neuron cells in our brain. These are called neuron cells. Normal neuron would look like this one. This is a very normal neuron. If you want to explain that, it is called the dendrites. It is called the dendrites. It contains receptors. And dendrites actually receive the information. Receptors' work is yes or no. Is that information is correct or not? I will take it or not. That is the fact of receptors. Dendrites actually receive the information. After it, there is a place called soma or cell body. It has a nucleus in it, which actually provides the DNA, and this soma actually processes the information. After it, it has this one, which is called the axon hillock. This is called the place axon hillock. Over here, it actually go to a big transformation, which was axon. The difference is axon hillock is very small, axon is very big. Axon is covered up with myelin, which actually reduces the probability of late transformation. Like, if you see that something bites you, suppose mosquito bites you, then what you have to do is actually kill the mosquito. And to make that process very quick, myelin is helpful. Without myelin, axon is very slow. Axon doesn't have to do anything. And this is called the synaptic or axon terminals. This is also called synapses, axon terminals, where it connected to other neuron. And the process repeats when you gather information. Overall, it is the input zone, it is the conducting zone, it is the output zone. Hope you learned something from this video. Until next time, like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to press the bell icon for more quick neuroscience videos. See you later in the next video. Bye!